Hi students, how are you? Children, now it's a prayer time. Close your eyes. Ashatoma Shatkamaya Tamashoma Jyotikamaya Mrityoma Amardam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Okay children, let's some activity. Children, close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Children, open your eyes. Okay children, today we are going to learn about lesson 2, points and tables. Okay, take your worksheet, do page number 14, answer the following. First question, what is the use of table and how can you create table in Word? Anyone tell me the answer? Yes. Answer is MS Word provide us facility to create and store data in a table. Create and store data in a table. Click on Insert menu and click on Table option and select rows and columns. The table will be created. Next question is, what are the steps to bullet and numbering in column wise? Anyone answer means? Raise your hands. Yes. Click on column button in page setup box of page layout ribbon. Select the option from the column palette. So numbering, bullet and numbering in column wise. So added bullet and numbering in column wise. Next question is, what the steps involved to change style and color of a table? Anyone answer means? Raise your hands. Yes, the answer is click on design option and select table style of a menu in ribbon to change style and color of a table. Okay children. Next question is, what is the difference between bullet and numbering in Word? Answer is bullet, which help us to list or point the text in clear manner. It is used to point an unordered list. Point an unordered list. Then numbering refers to pointing text in an order and for specific number of points. Order and specific number of points. Okay children. Next one is, do page number 13 in workbook. First one, write the answer for the following in the box of the given puzzle. Okay, first question is, a name given to the order list. A name given to the order list. Anyone answer means? Raise your hands. Yes. The answer is number. Second question is, the name given to the unordered list. The answer is bullet. The answer is bullet. Okay. Third question is, it is created when rows and columns intersect. The answer is cell. Okay children. Which option in context menu helps you to remove a row in the table? The answer is delete. Very good, children. Next one is, what do bullet represent in word? Yes, the answer is unorder. Very good, ma'am. Next one is, what does numbering representing in word? Yes, the answer is order. Which option in context menu helps you to add a row in the table? Answer is table. Okay, children. Be safe, be clean, stay in your home. Okay, cuties. Bye. Thank you.